Alright, so you're managing tens, 50s, even hundreds of sites across multiple web hosts, and now you're looking to move them all under one web hosting provider, right? If so, you've clicked on the right video. Today I'll help you in selecting the best hosting provider by comparing the top 3 options. And then I'll show you how you can manage and create multiple sites and subdomains on the same platform. First one is Bluehost. Quite a popular option for newbies, but many eventually find it overpriced. Also, the website loading speed is quite poor. The next option is GoDaddy. I'm sure you may have heard about this one. Many choose its hosting and domain name bundle for convenience, but wait, website community forums are flooded with complaints about customer support and hidden costs. GoDaddy is also known to trick you into buying add-on services that you don't need. The next one is Cloudways. It offers the best website performance with practically zero downtime. Also, developers prefer it for its super fast loading speeds and even for beginner websites. Now it's perfectly clear that Cloudways stands out from the rest, so let me quickly show you how we can set it up and create multiple sites and subdomains. Let's type in Cloudways in the search bar. On the Cloudways homepage, I'll start with the view plans and select the beginner plan from here. I'll proceed with my Gmail credentials to continue. Next, I'll now add a strong password here. I'll choose a freelance developer from here. After clicking the checkbox, I'll click continue and proceed to verify my account. Here, I've already added my WordPress URL, contact number and other details. I'll go ahead and click submit details. Next, you'll receive 2 emails. One to verify your identity and second with your server login credentials. This process might take up to 1 or 2 days. Once that's done, let's go ahead and create a website. Before I move on to the next part, this is not an ad. Since the video is about website, so I'm guessing you are running a website too. And if you are using WordPress, then you should definitely try this free speed plugin called Elite. If you put your website URL here, it will boost your website speed up to 90%. Cool, right? So try it here and let me know if you like it. So this is my Cloudways dashboard. Click here on add new application and select this test server to start with. Now I'll add further details here with the current version of WordPress, the application or website name, and a project folder where I can organize my work properly. I'll click add application. As you can see, Cloudways is adding my application to the test server. Once done, Cloudways redirects me to the applications access detail page. Here I can access all the details regarding my website's credentials. Now I want to add a subdomain to this domain. For that, I'll go to domain name management and copy the primary domain name. I'll click add domain and paste the primary domain name here. Let's call this the support subdomain. I'll add support ahead of the domain name like this. Cloudways may need a few moments to save this, and yeah, the subdomain is saved here. You can choose to make this the primary domain or delete it as well. Now I'll go to access details to log into my site. I'll open the admin panel in another tab, copy paste my email and password credentials from here to access the admin panel. Our WordPress admin panel is live. First, I'll go to settings to check the URL. Great, it's just what I wanted. I'll click view site in the top panel here, and yeah, my site is live now. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below and I'll help you out. In this 3-minute video, I'll show you a free plugin to triple your site speed. You're really gonna thank me for this, so click here and I'll see you there.